Good morning. So today let me start with a small demonstration of Naviswork software. So to open the software in searching panel you have to just search like manage. Okay, so you can see manage 2020 here. So I just use 2020 version, Navis 2020 now. So just click. Actually, Naviswork Manage is a small software. This is not a modeling software. We know that the Revit architecture, 3D Max software, all these are modeling software, right? So the Naviswork software is also actually used for reviewing these models which we modeled in Revit or 3D Max. Okay, so this is actually the interface of the software. Okay, so you can see only 7 or 8 tabs are here: home, viewpoint, review, animation, view, output, BIM 360, render. Only 8 tabs are here, and this is a small reviewing software. Okay, so you can see, let me just open my Revit file, and you can see from the file option you can export the Revit file to NWC format. You can see CAD format is there, DWF format is there, FBX format is there, also NWC format is there. So this NWC format is actually Navis file. Okay, so we know that the AutoCAD file is saved in the format or an extension of .dwg, right? In case of Revit file it may be in the form of .rte, right? So like that the extension of Navis file is actually NWC. Actually 3 forms are there: .nwc or .nwd or .nwf. Okay, so when we import a file to Navis, that means when we save from Revit it should be in the form of NWC. Okay, when we save it from Naviswork after reviewing, when we save the file we have to just save it in the format of NWD or NWF. Okay, so from the Revit, when we export the file we should save it in the form of NWC. Okay, so like that we can save it from here. So actually what is the peculiarity of this Naviswork is we can work or we can club together all the files. That means we know that when we work there should be architectural file is there, a mechanical file is there, a sprinkler system may be there, and plumbing, mechanical and electrical plumbing works are there. So by clubbing these files together we can review. Okay, so this is the main benefit of the Navis software. Okay, so let me just open my software, and you can see the first option is actually append. Okay, so this option is actually also maybe by seeing this icon you may understand that this option is actually used for importing or uploading the files. Okay, so when you drop down this option you can see 2 options are there: append and merge. Okay, so basically these 2 options we used for importing or uploading a Revit file, or Revit file means when before we importing the files to Naviswork we should export the Revit file to NWC format, then only we can upload. Okay, so these 2 options are used for uploading the files, but only the difference is you can see when I just touch the append option, you can see appending retains duplicate content. That means we know that when we do a mechanical work the reference file should be a architectural file. When we do a structural drawing there should be a architectural file as reference, right? So when we upload all these files to Naviswork, and the architectural file may duplicate, right? So this is the main drawback of append option, that is appending retains the duplicate content, it will not remove the duplicate content, right? So and the next is actually merge option is actually you can see merging removes duplicate content. That means when we import files using these options it removes the repeating element. That means if it is an we already told you that the architectural file may be copy or what we say duplicate, right? So the duplicate content will remove, then there only In case of append, there should the file size may increase, because from each file architectural file will be there. Okay, so the file size will increase, and if we import a file using this merge option, the file size will be small because it will remove the duplicate content. Okay, so I will show you how to upload or how to import a file using these options. Okay, so let me click this option, append, and you can see this is actually NWC format. Actually, these all are the works which we done in Revit architecture and Revit structural, then MEP. Okay, so I just export all the works to NWC format, then only we can use it. Okay, so first let me just use architectural file using append option. Okay, so just click or just select this architectural file, then open. Just ignore all. So you can see this is my architectural file. Okay, so this is my architectural file. So I want to upload other files also. Okay, so the view cubes and all things are same as that of Revit. So let me just drop down this option, then use this option merge, because when I use append option again, the architectural content or architectural file will duplicate. Okay, so let me just use this option merge. Okay, so let me just select all other files, electrical, then mechanical, then sprinkler, then structural. Okay, then open. Just ignore all. So you can see now all the files are clubbed together. Okay, then this is actually the first step of Naviswork. Okay, so the next step is actually reviewing, so we will discuss it later.